What is up guys? Another day, another hustle for us, and we are back to another video. Guys, this is a very special video for us dahil meron tayong limited collab na dumating, and I can't wait na ipakita sa inyo to dahil this is a collaboration between Undefeated and Malbon Golf. So what are we waiting for? Let's get into this video. Okay, so let's start. This is the collaboration of Malbon Undefeated, guys, na golf towel. Kung titignan nyo siya, guys, this is not your ordinary towel, guys, dahil sobrang laki niya. I'm not sure kung pwede siyang isabit, pero yeah, sobrang laki niya, guys. At the same time, ang ganda ng print, which is camo tiger stripe siya. Tapos meron na rin siyang kasamang carabiner dito para pwede nyo siyang isabit. Pero isa sa mga comment ko lang dito is sana naglagay pa sila ng butas somewhere here para pwede mo siyang isabit ng medyo mas maikli lang siya, guys. Kasi isa lang yung sabitan niya, so I think may chance na mahulog siya or tumama sa grass yung golf towel na to. Pero yeah, it's so big na pwede mo siyang gamitin pamunas na sa sarili mo, not just clubs. And yeah, sobrang ganda na itong golf towel nila na to. And then next up is our Undefeated Malbon na bucket hat. So it comes with two colorways. Meron tayong camouflage and the black and white. So yeah, buksan natin to. Woo! Sheesh! Grabe, guys. Sobrang solid na itong Undefeated na Malbon hat na to, kasi kung makikita nyo, merong embroidery ng Undefeated and Malbon logo dito sa isang side, and then when you turn it around naman, makikita nyo yung script ng Undefeated and Malbon, and then meron siyang parang different material dito na net para syempre mas presko pag ginagamit natin. It also came with two sizes. Merong small to medium, at the same time large to XL, and of course syempre may kasama siyang tali, guys, para pag sinuot nyo, ayan, dito pala, ayan, ma-adjust nyo siya. Depends on the fitment na gusto nyo. So dito naman tayo, guys, sa may black version. So yeah, open lang natin para makita nyo, both na makita nyo. So if you are looking for yung medyo minimalist lang na style or medyo subtle lang na design, I'll suggest go for this black and white na version dahil eto, sobrang dali lang niyang bagayan, guys. So pwede lang kayo mag plain white, plain black na polo, and then yeah, it will go to your outfit na kagad, guys. Eto, sobrang solid na ito, guys. So yeah, two sizes din siya, small to medium and large to XL. Isa pa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito, guys, is kung makikita nyo dito sa may inner niya, meron pa siyang Malbon na branding na nakasulat din. And then next up is meron din tayong head covers na kasama dito, guys. So full cover siya ng Undefeated logo dito sa may front, and then sa back naman is plain black lang siya, pero gumamit sila ng leather material. So bakit dalawa is because dalawa din yung hybrid ng ating client. Ayan. So if you don't know, hybrid is a golf club. So meron tayo, kung napapansin nyo, if you're a golfer, alam nyo na yan, merong putter, merong irons, merong hybrid, merong woods, and of course, syempre, meron yung driver. So, dun yung malalaman yung distance ng gusto nyong paluin or papuntahin yung bola nearer to the hole. Then, next up natin is yung head cover naman ng driver. So, next up, this is the head cover naman, guys, ng driver, or if you know, driver is yun yung ginagamit para sa mga long distance na shot. So, most likely mga nasa 200 to 300 yards. Ayan. This is a tiger camo print. Malbon script dito sa side na to. And then, undefeated naman dito sa kabila. So, sobrang ganda lang na itong head cover na to, guys. And then, dito sa top, makikita nyo naman is yung undefeated na logo. Embroidered din siya, guys. So, yeah, sobrang solid na ito. Sana lang talaga kay Bossing, wag niyang mawala itong mga to dahil these are all limited edition or limited collab. Next up, syempre, hindi mawawala ang golf collection pag wala ang mga golf balls. So, Malbon Golf came up with their own golf balls that is named Tour M. Ayan. So, itong collab na to between Malbon and Undefeated, they also released a golf ball na collaboration din with Undefeated. Ayan, no? So, this is the Malbon 3 Tour M na golf ball. So, ayan, merong print ng Malbon. And syempre, merong print din yan ng Undefeated. So, this golf ball is confirms to the USGA rules. At the same time, highly elastic core siya. So, it provides a better feel and high speed when you hit this ball. So, meron silang pack. It came with 3 pieces. And yan. Sobrang solid nito. And then, next up guys, meron tayong mga t-shirts na dumating dito. Meron tayong egret colorway. Meron tayong sage or yung green na colorway. And then, meron din tong black colorway. So, I think ito unahin natin. Medyo curious ako dito sa black na to guys. So, yeah, buksan natin. So, guys, this is the Malbon Undefeated Play Dirty na design nila, guys. So, ayan, makikita nyo yung branding Malbon Undefeated on the front. And of course, dito sa likod, makikita nyo yung Play Dirty niya or yung player na makikita nyo nagsiswing tapos nasa sand trap siya. So, ayan, sobrang minimalist lang pero ang ganda gamitin neto, guys. Especially, syempre, after nyo mag-golf. Or, pwede nyo rin siyang pang-forma dahil alam nyo naman, Malbon or Undefeated is a sportswear, lifestyle brand. So, pwede nyo rin siyang pang-forma. Isa sa mga nagustuhan ko pa guys is nagsasama sila netong parang keychain nila na pwede nyo alasin tapos isabit nyo lang for souvenir. So, yan. Sobrang solid itong Malbon na branding nila na to. Next up is eto namang egret colorway na I think this is the Players Hunt na t-shirt nila guys. Sobrang minimalist lang, logos nila dito sa harap. And then, syempre yung signature na branding ng Malbon na nakasuot ng bucket hat na may Undefeated guys. Sobrang solid nito. Tsaka ang ganda din ng colorway at the same time yung cotton material nila na gamit. So I tried fitting also this nung unang mga version na nilabas or yung unang package na dumating sa atin. And yeah, sobrang comfy niya talaga. So medyo ang sizing ng mga shirts nila is most likely para siyang American sizing or medyo oversized fit siya. So next up, this is the sage or yung parang military green na colorway nila guys. So same lang din. White na branding ng Malbon tsaka Undefeated. And of course, syempre, itong signature logo ng Malbon which is yung bola na may bucket hat. One of the limited colorways na nilabas nila to guys, itong sage na colorway. So our client decided na kompletuhin yung mga colorway. Kaya luckily, meron pa tayong nakuha. And then, let's go down naman sa mga golf performance polo shirt. So, it came guys with 2 colorways. Meron sage green din and meron ding black. Let's start with the black. So, this is the black colorway guys ng Malbon Undefeated. Grabe guys. Material pa lang, alam nyo nang hindi siya not your ordinary golf polo. So ito medyo mas kakaiba yung design na nilagay nila dito. Hindi nila pinagsama yung logo. Sineparate nila yung Malbon Golf and Undefeated. Tapos kung napapansin nyo guys, hindi siya pure na plain black, pero para siyang may tiger stripes sa shirt. Then dito naman sa may sleeves, makikita nyo Malbon script. And then sa kabila, wala siyang print. Pero nakita ko dito sa may bandang baba niya guys, makikita nyo yung parang patch ng Malbon dito sa side. And then sa back naman niya guys, merong Undefeated na branding. So ito guys, sobrang minimalist lang niya, pero alam niyong pang-diinan tong mga to at the same time. Syempre, pag sa mga golf polo shirt, so we are more on comfort para syempre mas makaswing ka ng mas maayos. Next up, this is the sage or parang military green na colorway nila. So same din siya guys, papansin nyo, hindi siya yung full color green lang, pero merong texture yung polo na ginamit. Same na same, Malbon Undefeated logo on the front, and then Malbon script dito sa may shoulders niya. So next up is ang final natin na isa sa mga inaabangan ko guys. This is the Malbon Undefeated na golf bag. So eto guys, hindi ko na siya totally fully explain, pero ipapakita namin sa inyo sa B-roll na very intense lahat ng details sa lalagay namin. Bag with a very comfortable na or very sobrang dami niyang lalagyan guys. So pwede nyo ilagay lahat, golf balls, water. At the same time guys, meron na rin siyang carry on or para na rin siyang backpack. As you all know, pag nasa US ka guys, while not all courses ay meron silang golf caddies, or if meron man guys, sobrang medyo mahal talaga yung service ng caddies when it comes sa nasa US ka. Not like dito sa Philippines guys na medyo mura-mura lang, usually nagre-range ng 350 to 500, 350 to 600 pesos ang caddy fee. Pero I think sa US, it will cost you around 100 to 200 dollars per round. So makikita nyo talaga yung difference when it comes sa caddy services when it comes to playing golf. Meron pa tayong isang hinihintay, and sobrang excited na kasi ako guys na i-publish tong vlog na to, and medyo matatagalan yung isang item natin. Pero meron tayo guys darating na golf travel bag ng Malbon X Undefeated din guys. So yung golf travel bag is guys, dun yung ilalagay yung golf bag when you go somewhere like pupunta kayo sa ibang bansa or pupunta kayo sa other places in using plane, para mas karoon ng security yung clubs nyo. So syempre alam nyo naman, pag pupunta kayo, sumasakay kayo ng plane, is yung mga bagahe minsan wala silang pakialam or what. So again, thank you again for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below guys kung ano pa yung mga contents na gusto nyo naming i-shoot, and we will do our best para may content namin yun sa inyo. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Like mo na rin tong video natin na to. And of course, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and of course, meron din tayong TikTok. And yeah, I'll see you again on the next vlog. Kita-kits! Peace out!